Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Sam. Have you thought about putting a roof rack on your EV6? Well, I just did, and I decided on the Yakima one, and I just wanted to do a quick video run through of what that process is like, just as a companion for when you're doing it. When you get the Yakima, you're gonna get a bunch of these little boxes. Each of these is gonna have a little instruction on what to do. And I figured, hey, why not just do a quick video, run you guys through it so you know what to expect when you're building your own, okay? Here we go. There you have it. That's it. That is the Yakima Roof Rack on the EV6. Overall, I thought it was a pretty painless process. Not that bad. I will be putting on and taking off this rack quite frequently depending on my use. I definitely don't want a roof rack on my car for long trips if I don't need it. So until the next time, see ya.